Morning.
Morning.
That is the biggest flower I've seen so far today. Alright guys, good morning. Welcome back to day 2 in Vietnam. Day 1 was technically New Year's Eve, day 2 was technically New Year's Day, and this is day 3. But I merged the first 2 days into one because it's party day. New Year's Eve's party day. I hope you guys are having a great start to the new year. We are going to go and pick up some bikes now because today is the first proper adventure day of the year as we're going out into the sun. Put the sunglasses on, feeling good about today. We're literally just going to get the bikes and drive. No plans. So I should probably tell you guys a little bit about the place we're actually at right now. We're not actually on mainland Vietnam. We're on a little island. I say it's a little island, it's actually a lot bigger than I thought it was, called Phu Quoc. And it's in the middle of the Gulf of Thailand. The water is absolutely gorgeous, super warm. And we have absolutely no idea what's here. We've not really done any research, so we're gonna go and try it out. They're cleaning the bikes behind us. Maybe we can pick up those two, they look nice and fresh. How are you this morning, Mr. Benson?
Oh, excellent, mate. I'm
Wonderful?
absolutely buzzing, yeah. Wonderful.
You're gonna be filming today too?
Yeah, I've got my A7 with me.
Nice one.
GoPros.
Let's pick up some bikes then.
Yeah, how does it go?
2 bikes, please.
Motorbike.
Motorbike? No?
Oh, it's such hard work, guys. We still haven't got a bike.
The plan of action is to go to some waterfalls. They're not here though, we have to drive, hence why we have come and rented some motorbikes. Alright then, we have come to the Sui Tran waterfall. This place is absolutely beautiful. We've not seen the waterfall yet, I think it's a little bit of a hike away. But we're just having a little wander around these gardens. There's a load of like figurines, I say figurines, they're like statues. A little bit creepy actually, like pig people and horse people and... Oh, fuck, that's a big
I'm gonna do slow motion, one sec.
Huh?
Pause, guys.
Lawrence has just put up a very good point behind me. Back up at that waterfall, there was just a load of beer cans just sitting. Whether it's Vietnam or anywhere in the world, if you're traveling, don't leave your crap in beautiful places because someone's gonna have to clear it up. It makes the place look ugly and it's bad for the environment. So just don't do it. I know you probably wouldn't. I think you've got a bit more respect than some people, but we've decided to walk back down the dangerous way. I mean, it's not that dangerous until I stack it and break my camera. We've actually lost Filippa and Lydia as well. They have kind of walked back down to get food, and we've decided that we want to go the stupid way. You could say oh God. We're just being adventurous young men here. It's quite fun. And it's super refreshing. You made it? Good man. Oh, it feels so good to be back out in nature again. It really does. Should we keep going this way?
Yep.
I think we should.
So, say you were in the Sahara Desert.
Sahara Desert, yep.
Yep. And you're 30 miles away from anything.
Yeah.
And you were just about to die.
Right.
Or you felt like you were going to die.
Yeah.
Would you drink your own piss?
Would I drink my own urine?
Yeah.
Sui Daban, that's where we are right now. It's a waterfall. We're probably on the worst bridge known to man. It's made out of, well, everything but proper bridge material. Oi bro, what is this bridge? Coconut ice cream's also pretty good. So we're doing what is commonly known now as following the TripAdvisor picture. And because we've not seen the TripAdvisor picture, it means that we've not seen everything that this place has to offer. So we are currently still hiking up the rocks of the dry waterfall.
That's so bad.
Everyone else that we saw walking past seems to have given up. We're still going.
Oh, this is disgusting.
I hate when people do that.
Me too.
Ja, han gör det.
So Filippa,
Man hör att det
what do you think about this waterfall? Huh?
This is not a waterfall.
It isn't? So I can hear Lawrence from a distance with his... Wait, it's not a jävla... Here he is.
Speaker.
Yo, yo, yo,
Fix.
yo!
Oh yes!
Should we take all the trash?
Okay, yeah, we should.
No! Oh. Men det hatar den
This is
inte
such a good work.
Yeah, look at him.
You're doing a good work, George.
Trying to. Oh, that fish is gross. If I see the people who did this, I'm gonna tell them off. Okay, we've had to abort mission in this direction because we got stuck at a swamp and there was absolutely no way across. So we're going back down and seeing if we can venture across the rocks where I was picking up the beer, well, the empty beer. Let's see if we can get across that way because we can hear it. Like, it's quite a distinctive waterfall noise, but... Alright, the vlog isn't important right now, but there's a dog stuck in here. We can't see him, but we can hear him, so we're gonna have to try and get in. There's no way we can leave a dog. Yeah, just take that off. The longer it is, the better, because then we can feel it. Alright, the only way we're gonna get this dog out is if he plays human brain and grabs the end of a stick.
Oh man.
Oh, buddy, come on. I'm trying to see if it'll grab the stick. I have no idea how far down it is, but it's in there. Can you hear it?
Come on, man.
I don't even know what to say. This is a flipping joke. Somehow the dog has got in there and there's absolutely no way to get him out. We've gone through every single hole. He's so deep in, he's obviously like fallen, he's obviously gone in and fallen further. But there's no like limb or stick or anything that we can get in to even feel or see or figure out where he actually is, or she. I don't know if it's a male or a female dog.